Hello, in today's video I want to talk to you about reviving old rechargeable batteries. So even if your batteries that are old and maybe not even old, but let's say you haven't been using them for a while, like those batteries, I checked them a couple of I think an hour ago, and they were basically showing 0 volts, and I have not used them for probably good 4 or 5 years. So it kind of looks like a dead. You want to throw them up. Well, there's a chance you can revive them. So what I do when they show 0, and I have a special charger which can save a bunch of batteries, and I'll show you that in a second. When I put it in my charger, it shows that basically there is nothing, so batteries are dead, you'd normally throw it out. So the only way to revive it is you need to force charging of those batteries, because this is the smart one. What you need to do is put it in a regular charger to force charging for like about an hour, just so there is small voltage on them. And then what you need to do, this is Lacrosse technology special charger that is really smart. This model is BC700, and I bought it probably 15 years ago and saved a bunch of batteries. And the best part of it is that you can charge AA's and AAA's, and you can charge individual batteries, and on top of charging you can revive old batteries, you can refresh. That's the cycle that I'm gonna be using. Or you can just charge them, or normally when you charge the batteries you should discharge them first before you charge them. And also with this particular one, you can charge it with 3 different currents. So you can charge it fast, you can charge it super slow, when you charge it in regular way. Always charging slow is better, because less heat created on it for the batteries. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna revive those batteries. So I'm gonna go to mode, and we have different modes. We have charge, we have discharge, which I normally use, and discharge refresh. We can charge and test them, but in this particular one I want refresh. So in this mode, in the refresh mode, the batteries are gonna be discharged several times, and they're gonna be charged with 100 mA current until the charger is going to see that there is a stable charge. And I was able to revive a couple of years ago, I don't remember how many, another batteries that was not used for a long time. And so this is the only charger that allows you to smart charge, discharge, refresh, and test the batteries. Again, Lacrosse technology. This is model BC700. I bought it on Amazon years ago. I don't know if it's still available, but this Lacrosse technology charger is the best, and I've used it for more than 15 years. Every single time I go on vacation, I use this charger, because sometimes all you need to do is just charge one battery. With those batteries chargers, you can only charge in pairs or 4. So this one is the only one that allows you to charge it one by one and do all those kind of things. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.